Ayan, Julia Montes.
Time has always been fast-paced. A montage of moments has left me in a whirlwind of emotions.
Julia Montes, napakaganda niya. Bagay na bagay sa kanya. Magandang baso.
But as the years pass by,
Ayan yung equipment, bagong lunch. Ayan. Confidence.
Hi, Miss Julia. You look absolutely beautiful today. Are you ready for Avignon Mass?
Yes, I'm ready.
What's the first thing you do in the morning?
To be honest, pray.
Wow. Morning run or evening run?
I can speak English.
Dale mamá con tu tacata, tacata, ta, ta, tacata, ta, ta, tacata, ta.
Let's go back, girl.
Ganda. Labis ang kinuha nyo, ang basobness. Sa Avignon Clinic. Go, 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 Julia Montes. Pakaganda, lupit.